All right, YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Brian Felix with Mendez Mobile Detailing. So you guys are seeing the before shots here on this Chevy Tahoe, not Chevy, Suburban, I believe. And this is a big body, you guys. This is a 3-row vehicle, very messy. You guys can see, have kids and stuff like that. There's crumbs, goldfish everywhere, chicken wings, chicken nuggets, Rice Krispie treats, Fruity Pep, whatever you can think of is inside this vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and do our premium detail package for this car. I believe we charge around $300 for the interior and the exterior, and I'm trying to do a better job of showing you guys the before shots because I don't want you guys thinking that we're just out here cleaning, not dirty vehicles, right? We're just like any other detail business where we have certain cars that are clean and we have certain cars that are extremely dirty, right? So this is, just gonna be a disaster interior detail, right? Because the floor mats are pretty bad. Like I said, there's goldfish and crumbs everywhere. The outside needs a very good wash, and it also needs a very good protection added to it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. They called the right people. They called Mendez Mobile Detailing out, and they knew we were gonna get the job done right. So that's what we're doing here. So we went ahead and removed all the floor mats out the vehicle, and then we just started, compressing everything out of the door panels and stuff like that. So that way Danielle could go ahead and vacuum as I detail the door panels and stuff like that. This is another reason why I wanted to get two guns, is because, like I said, one is used for detailing and one is used for vacuuming and stuff like that, which is what she's doing here. Now, you guys may see us blowing stuff out, right? But one thing that I do want to mention is, if there's trash in the vehicle, you don't want to blow that stuff out, right? Because that stuff is just going to be laying on the floor. If the client sees that, for instance, let's say there's an M&M pack in the car, right? And you just go ahead and blow it out with the compressor. If it falls to the ground and the client knows that was inside their vehicle and you didn't put it in a plastic bag, they're gonna kind of look at you away like, okay, that's not a really professional, some professional would do, right? So which is why I'm telling you guys, if you have an air compressor, just very mindful of what you're blowing out the vehicle. You want to blow out dirt and debris, not actually blowing out candy wrappers and stuff like that. Just be very mindful. Alright, so I didn't want to talk too much over the video here because I wanted you guys to just enjoy the song and the background playing. But basically we're just gonna go ahead and knock out the inside, the interior I mean, and just hop onto the wheels and tires. Now you guys see me here using the drill brush. This is my first time actually using the drill brush for the actual wheels. I'm not using it for the inside or the wheel well or anything like that. I was just using it on the wheels because they were pretty muddy, and I don't know, I just wanted to try it out for the first time, and I feel like it actually works pretty good, honestly. So I might just keep on doing this. I might not, because you know the drill could be used for something better. But yeah, I mean, it was my first time using that, and it worked pretty cool. And it also makes for good content, of course. So what you guys saw me there was spraying super clean, diluted to strong as possible, but as safe as possible as well. I get comments of people asking me my dilution ratios and stuff like that, and I'm gonna be straight honest with you guys. I'm not one of those detailers who, you know, dilutes their products, you know, one by one. Now, if I did have a 5-gallon jug or maybe something of that sort, then yes, I would definitely 10 out of 10 dilute my products. But for the time being, what I do is I have to dilute every bottle single, right? So it would take way too much time for me to like accurately, you know, dilute stuff, right? So what I usually do with the spray bottles is I'll put like 2 ounces of super clean, and on a 30-ounce bottle I'll just put 30 ounces of water just for the interior detail, whatever. And then I'll add my dressing and stuff like that as well, because as you guys know, I like to, you know, add some shine as I clean on the interior. So yeah, just a little bit of, you know, word of advice, I guess, I, you know, suppose. And yeah, keep enjoying the video. I hope you guys are liking it so far. If you are, make sure you comment, share, like, and subscribe. And hustle never settle, you guys. I will catch you guys on the next video. Enjoy.